Petroleum is a dark, viscous liquid which has a foul smell, and it is found at moderate depth between 500 meter to 2000 meter. It is trapped between the impervious rocks. You can see the diagram in the book that it is trapped between the impervious rocks. Are you able to see? I am showing you the diagram. Okay, children, you have seen that
Yes, ma'am.
petroleum is
Yes,
trapped
ma'am.
between,
Yes, ma'am.
between the impervious rocks, and it is floating above the saline water. It is lighter than saline water, so it floats on the saline water, and above the petroleum there is natural gas. Now you should know, children, that petroleum is a mixture of many useful products. So fractional distillation of petroleum is carried out to get the various materials which are used for various purposes. Okay? Refining of petroleum means fractional distillation of petroleum is carried out to get the useful products. Separating useful products by fractional distillation of petroleum is called refining of petroleum. We get many useful products like residual oil, which is divided into three types, that is asphalt, paraffin wax and lubricating oil. This residual oil is divided into three types, and all these three things are very useful. Like asphalt. Asphalt is used for making road and for the coating underside the electric pole. Okay, for making road and for coating of underside of electric pole, this asphalt is used. Then paraffin wax is a semi-solid thing that is used to make grease, and it is also used to make ointment and candle, etc. Next is lubricating oil that is used in the machines to reduce the friction. In chapter friction you had read how to reduce friction. One method was lubrication. We apply lubricant to reduce friction, and grease is lubricant, and we get grease from paraffin wax. Then you have read that the lubricating oil is used in the machines to reduce friction. So these three things we get from the residual oil. You have to memorize. If it is difficult to memorize, you can write first letter of each word and then you can memorize it, like APL. A stands for asphalt, P stands for paraffin wax, and L stands for lubricating oil. So these three things we are getting from residual oil. Next product that we get after refining of petroleum is, you can memorize first letter. Next product that we get after refining of petroleum is fuel oil. It is used as a fuel in the boiler. Then we also get diesel that is used for heavy vehicles like in bus, truck, etc. We get petrol that is used in dry cleaners for cleaning the clothes. Also used for light vehicles like scooter, car, etc. We get kerosene that is used as a domestic fuel, also used in the lantern. Then we get gasoline, that is petrol, I have already told. We get petroleum gas. Petroleum gas is converted into LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, by applying high pressure. Liquefied under pressure, and then it is converted into LPG. So we are getting these products after refining of petroleum. And what is refining of petroleum? Getting useful products We separate different useful products by fractional distillation of petroleum. So we get useful products. Now the next fuel is natural gas. In the diagram you have seen, children, just above the petroleum there is natural gas, and it is also another fossil fuel. Coal, natural gas and petroleum are fossil fuels. Petroleum is formed when the remains of dead microorganisms in the sea are buried under the earth crust. Then over millions of years, due to geological changes, the physical and chemical properties of the marine microorganisms changes and they are converted into petroleum. Okay, it is a fossil fuel. So natural gas is found along with petroleum. The petroleum deposits are located in, natural gas are located in like Godavari Krishna Basin, Mumbai High and Tripura. Now you should know about the uses of natural gas. Natural gas is a cleaner fuel and it does not pollute the environment because it does not leave behind ashes after burning and it does not produce harmful gases. So it is a cleaner fuel. Now the next topic is cleaner fuel. You have read, children, natural gas is a cleaner fuel and alternative sources of energy like solar energy, wind energy, water energy that we get from water, all energy that we get from biomass, all these are cleaner fuels because they do not cause pollution in our environment. So in this chapter you are reading that we should increase our dependence on alternative sources of energy rather than fossil fuels. Okay, with this your chapter is complete. Now I will raise question from this chapter and you have to answer the question. If you will be not able to answer, I will make you understand. Like first question is, what is carbonization? All of you turn on your video.
The process of conversion of dead plants material into coal is called.
It is the process of conversion of dead plants material into coal.
Children, listen to me. There are certain rules for online class. If you know the answer, you have to thumbs up. Okay, but you will not start speaking unless and until I will tell you by your name to say the answer. Okay, when I will call your name, then you will answer. Before that, you can do like this if you know the answer. Okay, turn on your video. Next question is, what is destructive distillation?
It is the process of strong heating of coal in the absence of air is called destructive distillation.
मैम आपका नाम अभी नहीं बोली थी ना, जब मैं जिसका नाम बोलूंगी वही बच्चा आंसर करेगा, बाकी लोग they can raise their hand. Okay, next question is, what are fossil fuels? Chitrans 8H.
Ma'am, can I speak?
You can raise your hand, but name will be announced for the child who has to answer the question. Yes, 8A. What are fossil fuels? Give 2 examples. Aditi Kumari, answer the question. Tanushka, 8C, give the answer. What are fossil fuels? Tanushka, 8C, give the answer.
Fuels which are formed from the dead plants and animal matter born deep under the earth's surface over a large period of time is known as fossil fuel.
Good. Give 2 examples of fossil fuels. Kanushka, 2 examples of fossil fuels.
Coal.
Yes. Now, next question is from Surbhi Kumari. Distinguish sources of energy on the basis of availability. Surbhi Kumari? No answer? You are getting 0 marks?
Ma'am, can I answer?
Anshika Thakur, give the answer.
Yes, ma'am. On the basis of availability, fuel is divided into 2 parts, renewable resources and non-renewable resources. A source of energy, which is natural resources that can be replenished itself over a short period of time, are called renewable resources. For example, wind energy, sun, etc. And non-renewable energy sources which get used up and cannot be replaced or replenished in a short period of time are called non-renewable sources of energy, which include fossil fuels like petroleum, coal, etc.
Okay, very important question. You may be asked in your final exam. Okay. Now, next question is, give 2 examples of solid sources of energy. Sanvi Singh, 8H. Sanvi Singh, 8H. 2 examples of solid sources of energy. No answer. Next question is, what is coke and what is its use? What is coke and what is its use?
Can I answer,
Srija,
Ma'am? Srija?
Ma'am, can I answer?
Srija Jha,
Ma'am,
give the answer.
coke is obtained from the destructive distillation of coal.
Yes.
Coke is used as an industrial and domestic fuel in stoves and furnaces. It is used for the extraction of metals from their ores. Third, it is used in making fuel gases like water gas, CO plus H2, producer gas, CO plus N2.
Very good. Next question is, name the 3 main products obtained from destructive distillation of coal. Diya Kumari. Diya Kumari, give the answer.
Ma'am, strong heating of coal in absence of air are called destructive distillation like coke, coal tar and coal gas.
Is it Diya Kumari? This question was...
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, this question was from Diya Kumari. Could you not answer, Diya Kumari? Okay.
Ma'am, strong heating of coal in absence of air is called destructive distillation like coke, coal tar and coal gas.
Very good. Correct answer, but speak softly. Don't speak loudly. Okay. Now, next question is state 2 uses of asphalt and paraffin wax.
Can I speak?
Vatsal
Ma'am,
Singh.
can I answer?
Vatsal Singh, give the answer. 8A, Vatsal Singh. State 2 main usage of asphalt and paraffin wax. No answer?
Ma'am, can I give the answer?
Okay.
Ma'am, can I speak?
No, right
asphalt.
Right now, Kritik Karn will give the answer.
Okay, ma'am. Asphalt is used for making roads and coating the underside of electric poles, and paraffin wax. Paraffin wax is used as grease. It is also used for making Vaseline, ointments, and candles.
Very good. Excellent. Now, next question is, describe in brief the process of formation of coal. You have to describe in brief the process of formation of coal.
Ma'am, can I answer, Srija?
Ma'am, can I
No,
answer?
Srija, let other children should also get the chance.
Ma'am, Kritir?
Ishika Roy, give the answer. Why you have joined your class so late, Ishika Roy? Just now you have joined the class. When the class is going to be over, then you are coming to join the class. Describe in brief the process of formation of coal. Ishika Roy. Unable to answer? Then, yes.
Ma'am, can I answer? Ma'am,
Yes,
Kritir?
lot number 12, 8A, give the answer. You can turn on your video. Okay. Now, who can answer this question?
Ma'am, can I, Kritir?
Srija.
Okay, no, you have already answered many questions. Now, Diya
Srija.
Kumari, can you answer this question? No. Now,
Srija.
Ma'am, coal was formed.
yes.
Ma'am, bole. Ma'am, coal was formed from plants remains got burned deep under the earth crust. The largest coal mines at Broko and Jharis in Jharkhand and Razi in West Bengal is called coal.
No.
No, your answer is not correct.
I'm wrong.
How coal is formed? You have to say the process of formation of coal.
Ma'am,
When
coal
the
is a
remains-
fossil fuel.
when
Ma'am,
the
coal is a
remains of
fossil
dead
fuels which
plants-
is formed from...
When the remains of dead plants are buried under the earth's crust, then due to high pressure and high temperature, okay, this is geological action. Due to high pressure exerted by rocks and soil and due to high temperature supplied by Earth's core, the wood changes into coal. Okay, the process of conversion of wood into coal is called carbonization. So due to high pressure, high temperature, the physical and chemical changes take place in the remains of dead plants and it is converted into coal. Wood is converted into coal. Okay, did you understand? Next question is,
Yes, ma'am.
state the main advantages of using natural gas. What is the benefit of using natural gas?
The benefits of using natural gas are that it is it has a high calorific value and is readily available and combustible. Second, it does not produce any harmful gases on burning, and it is a greener and automobile fuel.
Correct answer. It does not cause pollution. It does not emit any pollutant. It does not leave behind ash and it is a cleaner fuel. You have told all the points. Very good, Srija. Now, the next question is, name the places where oil deposits are located. Natural gas and petroleum are
Ma'am, the
located.
places... Ma'am, the natural gas are located in Godavari, Krishna Basin and Mumbai High and Tripura.
Good, very good. With this, your question answer and chapter both are complete. Now, when you will join your school, I will conduct a test from all these chapters which you have revise and you have to come with your preparation so that you can perform well in your test. Am I clear? Make sure all of you will come with good preparation. Yet now you have studied 5 chapters like first chapter cell, second microorganism, third force and pressure, fourth friction, and fifth sources of energy. So you have revised 5 chapters.
Metals and non-metals also.
Metals and non-metals, 6 chapters you have revised. Okay, children? So all of you will read the chapter thoroughly. Each and every paragraph you have to read very carefully. You have to frame questions and you have to make the answer of all the questions. You have to revise question answer. Keywords also you will learn and you must know also you will revise so that you can score 100% marks from all these 6 chapters. Okay, children? So now your time is over. Next day you will read next chapter. But before that, all of you will revise these chapters. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.